In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ClickUp account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, with a few helpful pointers to make the process smooth and clear. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a web browser or the desktop or mobile app. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to delete. Keep in mind, deleting an account is permanent and removes access to that account's data and settings, so proceed only if you're sure this is what you want. Next, click your profile. On the web, you'll typically find your profile avatar near the lower left corner of the interface. In the mobile app, it's usually accessible from the account or profile area. Clicking your avatar opens a small menu with options related to your account. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to your account's main settings area, where all personal and security options live. If you're on mobile, you may be taken to a screen with sections for account, notifications, and security. On the web, you'll see a sidebar with similar categories. You don't need to adjust anything else here, just continue to the delete option. Now scroll down. In many layouts, the delete option is placed at the very bottom of the settings page, sometimes under an account or security section. Scrolling ensures you see everything available, including options that are intentionally less prominent for safety reasons. When you see delete account, click it and confirm the deletion. ClickUp may ask you to confirm your decision through a prompt, enter your password, complete two-factor authentication, or acknowledge a warning explaining what will be lost. Carefully read the on-screen message so you understand that this action can't be undone. If prompted, complete the confirmation exactly as requested. When you confirm, ClickUp will begin processing the deletion and you'll be signed out of that account. You may receive a final email confirming that the deletion request was submitted or completed. A few final tips as you wrap up. Deleting your personal account is different from leaving or changing a specific workspace. If you collaborate in multiple workspaces, remember that removing your account affects your access everywhere tied to that account. Also, if any prompts mention pending tasks or ownership, review them so you're clear on what happens next. That's it. You opened your account, clicked your profile, went into settings, scrolled down, and selected delete account to confirm. Thanks for watching and take care.